Hi, I'm Dan. I'm working as a food AMO in anesthesia, and I found out that this event is from LinkedIn. Somebody found it randomly, and so far I found it very insightful today, and loved the panel session with the speakers. Learned a lot from them, as well as learning from the disruptive vectors team themselves, like on how to navigate your way and how to find out your skill sets and how to upskill as well. And I think it's just a very memorable experience. Yeah. Before I came and after in the workshop, I think I found more objective ways to measure my performance right now, as well as where I'm standing at and how to progress from there. The biggest benefit from this workshop is the network with the like-minded individuals around disruptive vectors as well as the participants. Yes, being disruptive vectors ourselves and just basically share the same thought processes as well as viewpoints, and that healthcare is not just carrying life-saving healthcare. There's also life-modifying healthcare, and life wellness and health essentially is a very, very broad and vast subject and field of them. Yeah. And the way I do, like, the general notion is that healthcare is caring for the sick, but generally it's not just for the sick. You know, there's a lot of different parts of healthcare. There's health finance, there's health insurance, and then there's health technology. Essentially, there's it's quite a few for a reason, right? There's several different moving parts in it. So, yeah. So somebody who's finding with the team, of course, for sure, definitely the event to join, because it will help you really assess where we're at in terms of where we're currently at and where we would like to be, and then also help you in terms of finding out what you need to do to get to the specific areas that you would like to lure into. And because, again, as part of the reason why the disruptive vectors team created this for communities, because they were highly faced to be going through it alone, and how much more efficient it would be to actually have a network, a support group to do it together.